Smartphones are incredible tools for learning and connection, but they can also expose kids to risks like cyberbullying, online scams, and inappropriate content. In this video, we'll share practical, step-by-step tips to keep your kids safe while using smartphones. Let's get started. Step 1. Setting up the phone securely. Enable parental controls. On Android, go to Google Play. Settings, Parental Controls. On iPhone, open Settings. Screen Time, to set content restrictions. These features allow you to control app downloads, screen time, and online purchases. Create a child-friendly profile. For younger kids, set up a separate user profile. This restricts access to certain apps and features. Both Android and iPhones offer options to create child-friendly environments. Turn on safe browsing. Enable safe search or use kid-friendly browsers like Google Family Link or Custodio Safe Browser. These help block inappropriate websites and ensure a safer browsing experience. Use safe applications. Install apps designed for kids like YouTube Kids, Khan Academy Kids, and educational games from trusted developers. These platforms provide age-appropriate content in a controlled environment. Set a strong passcode. Ensure the device is protected with a strong passcode, fingerprint, or Face ID. Avoid easy-to-guess combinations like 1234 or 0000 to prevent unauthorized access. Step 2. Monitor their online activity. Apps like Google Family Link and Apple Screen Time let you monitor usage, set limits, and remotely lock devices during study time. Review your child's browsing history and app downloads to ensure they aren't accessing inappropriate content or installing unsafe apps. Many monitoring tools provide activity summaries for easier tracking. Discuss clear rules for smartphone usage, like which apps they can use, for how long, and during what times. This helps create a healthy balance between online and offline activities. Step 3. Teaching kids about online safety. Teach kids to never share personal details like their full name, address, phone number, or school name. Even seemingly harmless details can be misused by scammers or strangers. Explain the dangers of phishing scams and suspicious links. Encourage them to double-check before clicking anything and to ask an adult if they're unsure. If your child uses social media, make sure their profiles are set to private. Teach them to only accept friend requests from people they know in real life. Have open conversations about cyberbullying. Encourage kids to speak up if they're being targeted or if they witness bullying. Show them how to block harmful users and report abusive content. By following these simple steps, you can give your kids a safer online experience while teaching them responsible smartphone habits. Thank you for watching. Stay secure and follow for more cybersecurity updates.